on. Let's start this one on. You should make a go of it. Some of it's got to go back together. More bits that go back together. There is scattered around the house. Okay, so we've got some masking tape on there from where I sprayed up spray. Let's have that off to start with. Spent the last week or so cleaning the frame and cleaning the parts, and then when I put the engine in the frame this morning, I've already scratched it. I haven't sprayed it, I actually used Smooth Right, and I already regretted the decision to use Smooth Right. And yes, it has gone hard. It's been a good few days hardening, but it isn't the best. I really wish I'd gone for powder coating, but on a bit of a budget. Let's get this off. These definitely have washers on. Where they are at the moment, who knows? Who knows where they are? Right, that's the sprocket back on. The rear wheel. I'm sure there'll be loads of bits that I'm missing, loads of bits that I can't find. But it's getting done. It's getting done. That's fucking brilliant. Get the fucking rips all out. Oh well, getting the hammer out worked. No, it's not a hammer, it's just a soft mallet. It's been a bit of a testing morning. Hello! Welcome to my Ossa rebuild. Things are underway. The engine has been put back in this morning. Did have some help to wrestle it back into the frame. Now, you don't have to take it all apart, you don't have to take the head off, but it is difficult to get it back into the frame if you don't, but it's been wrestled back in. Just putting the sprocket back onto the rear wheel. Found the nuts and bolts. There are a few nuts and bolts seem to be amiss everywhere. Just put all over the place. Lesson learned the next time. Now I'm not sure, I can't remember if these had any washers on them. I'm pretty certain they did. But for now, I'm just going to put them on loosey-loosey. Because they definitely did have washers on them, you can see it on the sprocket. But for now, they're just going on. They're not going on tight, they're just going on loose. And then when I get all the leftover bits later on, I'll be able to put the washers back on. But at the moment, they could be anywhere. They could be anywhere at the moment. Excuse the noise in the background, there's wick sawing going on. But now, where did I put those bolts? arm bolts. Sure which way around it goes. Indeed, it is always a good idea to have the photo at hand. Remember how things go back together. It would appear that there's two brackets, which I've forgotten what they were, but here they are. Here they are. Oh, there's two, there's three. Alright. Those are those. I suppose I could give them a quick squirt, make them a bit cleaner. Let's do that. Let's give them a quick wash. Quick washing thinners. Mum's trifle dish. Well, it's not actually my mum's trifle dish, but it's some sort of older dessert dish. I am totally rubbish at cooking. There's not any desserts going on in this. There, look at that. Getting messy. Getting messy. That, you know, parts. I might take them out. Dry them. Remove some bolts. Less than what I started with. Not more than what I started with, but I appear to have less than what I started with. Impossible. Less than what I started with. Not more than what I started with, but I appear to have less than what I started with. Impossible.